You get a dead bug, and you get a dead bug, and everybody gets a dead bug. You want to know what bugs me? Deciding whether to treat the inside of the house or the outside of the house. Should we treat inside? Or should we treat outside? Inside, outside. Inside, outside, inside, outside. Most aspects of pest control are misunderstood, but that's okay. I want to change it. That's why I do these stupid videos. It's not like we have some magic book of secrets locked away in a vault. In fact, you have access to most of the products we use, but whether you're effective or not has almost nothing to do with the pesticide and everything to do with the knowledge of what to do with it. Many companies have changed from monthly interior treatments to quarterly exterior treatments. Some people, especially our older customers, did not take this idea very favorably several years ago. They were concerned about effectiveness, but this was only based on the fact that it was something new. The phrase, "we've always had it done that way," was uttered many times. History should not negate innovation. So why did we make this change from interior to exterior? After all, the reason you called for pest control is you were seeing the bugs on the inside, right? Ask yourself where they came from. In this business, the source is the key. Most of the treatments in the area you see the problem are just Band-Aids. The exceptions to this would be German roaches and bed bugs. For example, ants on the kitchen counter is definitely a problem, but where is the real problem? Part of the real problem is the Cheerios under the refrigerator, the dirty dishes, and the sucker your 3-year-old missed the trash can with. But don't forget the hole they entered through. If that hole didn't exist, would you have had a problem even if you had all these other conditions? Possibly not. But even treating these areas will not fix your problem, no matter what you use. Remember, it is not about the pesticide. Think of it like this. If you pull a weed in your garden and don't get the root, it's going to grow back and you've wasted your time. Sure, it looked good for a while, but you did not get the source. The same applies to pest control. So back to the ants. What is the source? What's the root of the problem? It is not the Cheerios under the refrigerator. That is what attracted them in. The source is outside where the ant nest is. They can also nest inside the walls, but we'll deal with that later. If you do not cut out the roots, then the problem will either not go away or come back very quickly. This is why, in most cases, preventative pest control should be performed on the exterior where the problem originated. A treatment inside your home is limited by what I can use, where I can put it safely, how much I can use. When I treat the outside, I can use better products in more areas, and I can use more of it and halt the problem even before you found out about it. Consider this. If you don't have to have chemicals inside your home, why would you? Why would you intentionally and unnecessarily put products inside your home around the kids and the dog? Why? Now, sometimes it is necessary to treat the inside for these pests, even if just to go get them out of your hair quicker, while the real magic happens on the outside for the long-term control. Every house, pest, and situation is different. So let me take a look at it so I can choose the best course of action for your problem. Is your kitchen invaded with creepy crawlies? Or are you exiled to the inside of your home afraid of all the buzzard-sized mosquitoes? We can help. And most of the time, we can do it from the exterior, and you don't even have to be home. You want to know what bugs me? Inside pest control. But I love to kill them on the outside.
You're killing me, Smalls.
I think I saw a rat in my house.
Mice, I thought she had rats.
No,
Rats are outside, mice are inside. Yo, but what if a mouse goes outside? Does it become a rat? And if a rat is in the house, is it a mouse?
I ain't never seen no mouse outside. That's what I'm saying.
That's because it's a rat, fool.
Oh, I think I saw a rat.
Take it, you dirty yellow-bellied rat, I'll give it to you through the door.
Keep that shade, you filthy animal.
This is a rapper.
This is why, in most cases, preventative pest control should be